Hiding objects in ActivInspire is one of our users' favorite actions and can add an extra level of interaction to your flipcharts. To simply hide an object, select the object and go to your Action browser, located second from the right within your browsers. If your browsers are not visible, go to View, then Browsers. To hide this object, select Hidden from the list of actions, and then click Apply Changes. Now, when in presentation mode, you will see a blue play icon denoting the action is live. Click to toggle between hidden and visible. To create an action where you click one object and another appears or disappears, like for instance to have the name of a state appear when we click the corresponding star, start by selecting the object you wish to be the trigger, in this case a star. From the Action browser, select Hidden. This time, select the three dots next to Target. Choose which object or group of objects you wish to appear when the star is clicked. Click OK, and then Apply Changes. Now, in presentation mode, hovering over the star results in that play icon. Clicking the star will alternately hide and reveal the text. This is a quick and easy way to create activities for your students. To remove or modify a hidden action, return to Design mode, select the object, and choose Remove Existing. Under your Object browser, third from the left, you will also need to change the text back to visible rather than hidden. You can toggle back to presentation mode to verify the hidden actions have been removed.